Good morning, students. Once again, now in the previous video, I had discussed something. I have discussed up to this font effect. I have discussed also. Now I'm going to discuss this position and this background. Okay. So now I'm going to discuss first this position. In position, three positions are here: superscript, normal, and subscript. Superscript means what? When you are placing any letter just above the normal level, that is called superscript. When you are placing something just lower than the normal level, that is called subscript. So these all I'm discussing about the formatting. Formatting means what? How you are just doing something to look your text attractive, that is called formatting. So if anybody will ask that "Okay, what do you mean by formatting?" Formatting means what the things we are doing in our text, in our document, so that the text or document will be looked better or good or attractive, that is called formatting. So now I'm going to discuss this superscript, subscript. By default, look, this position is normal. Normal means what? Simply normal we are typing, that is in normal level. Now once see, this is in a normal level. So now in mathematics you people have known that if you are writing x square plus y square, x square plus y square, so you cannot write this. It is not display like x square or y square. It is what? X2 y2. So what we have to do? We have to what do that 2 will be in just above of the x and y. So what we have to do? Just select this one. Select this letter which you want to send just above. So I'm going to select this one too. Then go to the format option. Then click on the character. Then go to the position option. Now this is in the normal level. So how in normal level it will look? So look this one. Now you want to place just above the normal level, that is above the x. Click here and press OK. Now look. Now it's no x 2 is just above of the x, that is now we can say x square. The same way we can do with this 2. Go to the format, click on character, then go to the subscript, click here. Now look, subscript, sorry, y square you want, no? So go once again, click on the character, not subscript, superscript I want. So this is x square. So x square y square. Now try to understand this superscript, sorry, subscript. Subscript means what? You are placing any text just lower than the normal level. So in a chemistry people have learned H2O. H2O थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर दे ताकि आप लोग को दिखे. तो बड़ा हम लोग बता चुके हैं कैसे बड़ा करते हैं. थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देते, थोड़ा और बड़ा कर देते ताकि जो है आप लोग को दिख जाए. I think this is visible. Now I want to place this 2 just lower than the normal text. So what you have to do? We have to select the word or letter which you want to shift lower. Click format, go to character and click subscript. So I think this is clear. Look, this is called H2O. This is called H2O. This is called subscript. Now I'm going to use the next option. Select this one, format, character, and then go to the background. Background means what the color you want in background. I want this. Press OK. So look how the background will be looked. So all these things you can do in a formatting. So the formatting I have discussed. Now next, yes, the next topic we are going to learn that grammar, spelling and grammar check. Look, which topic we are going to learn using a spelling and grammatical check. So what we have to do? I have written, see this one. I have written we are Indian. We love green color. So Indian, look, I and DIN, it is underlined with a red color. COLOUR. Look here, color. If people can say, sir, this color spelling is correct. So why this red sign is showing? Why this color is underlined with red color? So now I'm going to discuss that if you type any word and if there is a spelling error, it will be underlined, or if there is a grammatical error, it will also underline with some different color. So how you can check my spelling is correct or not, or our spelling is correct or not? So what you have to do? Go to the tool option. In tool option, look, a spelling and grammar option is there. Click here. Now I have selected that color. So we are using what British English, but computer, in computer, which English actually is assembled that American English. So in American English, the spelling of color is not COLOUR, that is COLOR. So that's why it's showing the error. So look, a suggestion is given. We love green color. So I have written COLOUR, and this is the error. So that's why it is red color. So suggestion is there, color COLOUR, color COLOUR, whatever. So the correct one is COLOUR. If you want to change here, you can click here, change. Or if you are thinking that sir, whatever the spelling I have written that is correct, you can click here, ignore once. So when you click in ignore once, then this will be removed. Okay. Now, but if you don't ignore, if you suppose once again I'm writing color, look. So what you have to do, if you want to correct this one according to the American English grammar, go to the format option, go to the, sorry, not format, tool option, spelling grammar change, and you can click in suggestion option, and change option will be there, it will be changed. So such a way you can change. Now check in Indian, what is the problem in Indian? Go to the tool option, click on a spelling grammar. So Indian, it will be capital, not in a small. So that's why it's showing error. And in English teacher already taught in your class that Indian, if you're writing the country, so it must be what first letter will be capital. So change all, and it will be changed. So such a we can change. And there is a shortcut key also. Once again, look, if I'm writing what Rahul eat banana, 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 and look. So actually grammatical error is not showing, but if banana all the spelling is correct. So suppose in the Rahul eat, you can say Rahul eat red. If you am writing RAD, red, not this RED, red color, COLOUR, red color, apple. So look, color once again it is displaying here. So if you want to change this one, so what you have to do, you can use the shortcut key, click here and press F7, for your keyboard. This dialog box will be displayed here. So you can use the shortcut key also, so there will be no any problem. So such a way you can do this, and I hope this one is clear to everyone. The next one is format painter. How you can use this format painter? A spelling grammar I have discussed, how you can change. Format painter option, how you can do. So when you read this one in your book, no, so you can get this idea. Just go this one. Format option is here. Just format painter option is here. Format paintbrush option. So look how we will go this one, how to use the format. What is the format painter? Format paintbrush tool is used to copy the formatting from the text selection in writer or from an object and apply the formatting to the another text. Means एक यदि आप कोई format किए हैं और वही format आप दूसरे में लगाना चाहते हैं, तो you can use this one. So how you can use? So option is given. Steps are here. What option? From the standard bar, click the format paintbrush icon, है ना, एंड देन आप जा सकते हैं. तो कैसे जाएंगे, तो देखिए हम थोड़ा करके देखते हैं इसको हम लोग इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. लाइक दिस फॉर्मेटिंग एक्चुअली आई डिड, सो आई वांट दिस. सो फॉर्मेट पेंटर ऑप्शन कहीं दिखाई दे रहा है? स्टैंडर्ड टूल बार में कहीं भी दिखाई दे रहा है? देखिए, आप देखिए फॉर्मेट पेंट ब्रश, यू कैन क्लिक हियर एंड यू वांट टू अप्लाई हियर, सो यू कैन सेलेक्ट. So the same formatting it will be displayed. This is clear, no? Not understanding. So now once again I'm going to do some changes here. Little bit थोड़ा बढ़ा देते हैं इसका साइज बढ़ा देते हैं, बैकग्राउंड चेंज कर देते हैं, ओके, एंड बोल्ड कर देते हैं, अंडरलाइन कर देते, इटैलिक कर देते, अंडरलाइन कर देते. नाउ सी I have done some formatting work in this Rahul 8 red color apple. So I want this format will be applied also here. So what in this sentence what you have to do? You have to do same thing which I did here, but better. Select this one, go to the format paintbrush, click here and simply select this one and automatically it will be